परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. My name is Manitya Mahavidya Ananda and I am a brahmacharini in the Nityananda order. I am talking to you from the Nityananda Peetham right at the feet of the banyan tree, the Kalpataru Vriksha, which has been known to be here for generations and centuries, to be that Vriksha that answers each problem there is. And I'm here to talk to you about sannyas and why I took up Krama Brahmacharya and how I feel about it, and to just share with you what I think is the coolest thing about it. To me, sannyas is a lifestyle of possibilities, of solutions. Every time something comes in front of you and you wonder if, if it's even possible, a lifestyle of sannyas gives you an answer. It tells you that yes, it is possible. Now let me explain a little bit what I'm trying to say to you. Normally, let's say if you were trying to pick up a creative project, right? And you are used to using, say, maybe one kind of software tool, whether it's Microsoft Excel, or you've just used a basic simple notepad, or whatever it is. Let's say you've used one kind of software and so you're so used to it. But today, you're put in a position where you're asked to do the same job, but without those tools. What do? Normally, we would just get really upset about it, say, you're not giving me the tools, I'm not empowered, I don't know what to do, this is not the right way to go. And that's how I spent my life for 30 years, just thinking that things are not okay for me, things are not going to work out for me, I'm not going to be given what I want. But if my focus moves away from not the tools, but on what I want to create, suddenly all the possibilities start to open. Suddenly there will be solutions in front of you. The space of sannyas gives you the strength, the guts to live that possibility. It gives you the environment, it gives you a lifestyle, it gives you the people, it gives you the techniques, it gives you the processes. It actually churns your physiological, neurological, psychological being to start moving and focusing on what you want to create than what is in front of you. And when your focus moves from what you want to create, you just look at whatever is in front of you as an additional resource. If you've got one hand, you will look at it as an amazing, amazing gift that is given to you. If you get 10 hands in front of you, it's like a possibility breakthrough. So it's just a change in focus. But that change in focus takes strength. That change in focus requires you to stand on the cosmic truths that anything is possible. The anything impossible is not possible for you to live in a society we are in today. Our society has bred on the very simple facts that if you're an engineer, you're not a doctor, you're not a management, you're not an accountant. If you're a doctor, then you're not an engineer. And if you're a housewife, then you totally don't know anything. Our society is built on a structure that instead of showing you what you can create, it shows you what you cannot do, or what you are not rather. How many times have you told your child, oh, don't do this, this is a job of the servant. Oh, don't do this, this your father will take care, he knows how to do it right. Oh, don't drive the vehicle, this is for your brother and not for you. How many times have you used those words for your children yourself? Leave children. How many times has somebody used those words for you? If you're a housewife, you know what I'm talking about. If you're a professor, you know what I'm talking about. Even in the intellectual community that I was part of, I was very often told, oh, why don't you just stick to a topic? Why are you straying yourself so much? There's always a need, or let's say, there's always a demand put on you to be streamlined, to be only in this area, and to not create, to not expand yourself. And in a society like that, you will be pushed and you will be cornered. And to live with strength and guts, to move your focus from the resources to actually what you want to create, is slightly hard to do. Sannyas is that space that lets you live the creativity. In the year that I have been a sannyasi, I can tell you I have been part of extraordinary educational breakthroughs. I've been part of a mobile application from the scratch. I knew nothing of how to make a mobile application, but we went from zero to a working functional model. I've been part of international treaties where I have no clue of what a legal contract should look like, but we have been on that direction. I've been part of some very amazing paperwork that requires you diligence, curricular development, talking to all sorts of designers, talking to web management, doing HTML, doing CSS, doing editing, all sorts of things. All things I've done much, much more than I've done my 30 years combined. So creativity is a space and is a possibility for each and every one of us. Sannyas is that space. Sannyas is the strength. And really, all of my words are meaningless because the strength comes from the Guru. The strength comes from the fact that every power, every Shakti that he has given you is given to you to expand. And living that space of the Guru comes with complete understanding that he is there for you whenever you call upon him. I'm here sitting with you with the first Adi Guru, the Dakshinamurti, and my Guru, His Divine Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda, to tell you to live the space of sannyas. Now is the time, because now is the only time we have the last Guru, the only Guru who's celebrating authentic Hindu lifestyle. And now is the time to jump on it. So with this video, let me end with giving you an invitation to each and every one of you. If you're out there only wondering why you're there, what you want to do with life, you want to do something fun, you want to go to the stars, you want to look onto the moon, you want to be the crazy cosmology person that I am, now's the time to jump. Because let me tell you, we're going into an era where we will have international space travel will just be a breeze. That'll be something we'll do in next 2 years. Talk about non-invasive surgeries. We'll be there in a year. Talk about electronic devices that need no charge. We'll be there just within a year. We're going to an era that soon will just expand everything and anything we know. So now's the time to jump. So make sure you're taking and choosing a lifestyle of creativity. Thank you so much for listening to me. And in the end, with comments, we will leave you how you can jump and take sannyas and lot more information. Thank you. Nityanandam.